Hi guys, short video here about this FOLAI stud finder. Came in this box here, nicely protected with this bubble wrap. And this is how it looks. We have also a little bit of protection here in the back. That's really nice. So you're not scratching the wall. You can hear that it's nice and smooth sliding. Here we have also some model numbers, says TH260. Then of course we need a battery. Battery is included in the set, which I really like. On the other hand, something I don't like too much is that it's easy to place it wrong here inside. With modern 9-volt batteries we have this cap here, then it's impossible to do it wrong. But on the other side it's much easier here to insert and take it out. And so we are supposed to insert it like that, but let's see what happens when we do it wrong way. If it will destroy the device, it will definitely not turn on. But has it destroyed the device? So now we have it correct. Plus is here on the right side, and so we push it here inside and we still can turn it on. That's pretty awesome here. And what I highly recommend to do at the end of the work is to of course turn it off and then remove the battery, because sometimes we don't use these devices for a very long time and then the battery is leaking, and destroying this device would be really sad for this awesome device. And so in general it's very easy to be used. We can with a short press turn it on and then select one of the 5 programs. Here we have the 1/2-inch stud program, 1-inch stud, 1.5-inch stud, metal beam, and the AC finder. So let's start with some studs. Standard usually is 1.5 inches. And so after selecting the program, we have to also calibrate it with this button here. So we hold it in the area where we want to do some search. Here it obviously has already found something. So usually we put it on the side where we don't have any findings. And then we push this button here from the left side, so it does some calibration. We have to wait a couple of seconds. When the line has disappeared and we heard the beeping, it's ready to be used. And so we can move this left and right. We always get this arrow here. So this arrow here says we have to move it to the right side. If we move it too far, we also get the arrow on the right side. For example, here, yeah, here we are. I think in the center we get also a center indicator here. Looks like there's something here. What we can do when the signal is too strong and it gets a little bit confused, when we are really close to the stud, we can do the calibration again like here. So we do it and wait a couple of seconds, and then we can do it again with less sensitivity. And so I think here we are really close, and so we can easily pinpoint the exact position where we have this center here. You can see when I move just a little bit to the left side, it says I have to move right, and when I move a little bit to the right side, it says I have to move left. So I think here we are perfectly in the center, and so I can do exactly the same thing with metal. Here we are on metal. Underneath this table I have some metal crossbar, so let's see if it's possible to find this. So I move a little bit to the side where we don't have any finding, and so I calibrate it here, and so it should be easy to find something. You can see, but it's also very strong, so we don't have a clear indication where we have this crossbar. So while we have the result here, I calibrate it again, and so it has also here less sensitivity, and so I can pinpoint it even closer. You can even repeat that couple of times. Now you can see we have a smaller area. Calibrate again, and so after a couple of cycles we should be able to pinpoint it pretty close. And so I think we have finally found it pretty close. Could even repeat that more often. So the really cool thing here is that we don't have to deal with some manual adjustments. The only thing which we have to do is to use this automatic calibration mode, and then we have of course also the AC wire detection, Also highly recommended to calibrate it when it's a little bit far away, so we can get closer here and find this easily. Also here on top you can see I can follow this thing here. On the left side it's off. Here we have it again, go somewhere to the right side, something like that. What's also really nice is that also in the stud finder mode we get some AC detection. So when we go a little bit closer here, you can see on the right top it has detected this AC wire even in the stud mode, but of course without details, but at least it's showing that. If you need more information about the AC wire, you have to select this program here. So I would say a pretty cool device. So many features, so many automatic functions, really great helper for wood, metal, AC wires. I absolutely love this automatic calibration function, so definitely works for me. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this device, then just let us know down the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.